one of the things that I'm also going to be working on in the class is we're going to be doing somatic practices. We're going to be really bringing out our imagination, our curiosity, and deep inquiry. So not only is that way more fun than feeling guilty and shaming yourself, but that's where the future is through our imagination and through our creativity. And again, how nature can bring that alive in us. So we're largely have become separated from our interconnection, we talk about the interconnectedness of all things. We talk about somatics being the mind, body, spirit. We have body practices, we have mind practices, but we don't have enough spirit practices. And I don't mean religion. And so one of the things we're going to study in the class is what's the spirit piece and how do I connect to my spirit? So my spirit being my original self, the part of me that was born into this world. So there's different religions and methods, even astrology, right? That say, hey, you were incarnated or created into this destiny for your own purpose. Now, sometimes we tend to think that we have to have some grand meaning to that. And I'm saying not really. We just have to remember to reconnect with the source, which is our Mother Earth. And I'm a firm believer that the Mother Earth is calling out for help, knocking on your door, saying, hey, do you want to help me? We're all disconnected. How do we get reconnected? And, think that only imagine, and I don't know how many of you have an opportunity to go to the country, like where people really grow your food, or they really have the dairy, but I would encourage that and see how those people live. And I've come from the country, and I have people from the city come. You pick orchard, I do different things, and it's fascinating to me to watch people come from the city, some of who remember when they went to their grandparents' house when they were little, or some children who just are naturally inclined to sort of disappear into the natural world and run around and play, and other children who just don't know how to do that. It's like not necessarily in their nature. So some of us are going to be more nature-based than others. But the point is this whole piece about connection. So 150 years ago, you had to go get your water in a bucket.